Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Please join me. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. You can grab any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. And in this video you will see how to crochet my unique stitch pattern. Let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the pattern. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 23, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. My foundation chain is ready. Here how it looks. Let's crochet the first row. Make chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Then chain more for the chain space. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the 7th chain stitch away from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Insert the hook into the 7th one. Insert the hook into the 7th stitch. Make double crochet. Continue, make a chain. I skip the next chain stitch and double crochet into the 2nd stitch. Chain, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the 2nd stitch, make double crochet. Chain and double crochet into the 2nd stitch. So pattern consists of 4 stitches. I will repeat my stitches 5 times, so I am using 20 chain stitches for my unique stitches, and I will add 3 chain stitches for more beautiful look. I repeat one more time. Pattern consists of 4 stitches and has 2 rows. My first row of the double crochet stitches is ready. Let's crochet a row of complex stitches. I will begin the row from the chain of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 chains of them are chains to bring up the yarn, and another one is a chain for the chain space. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the 5th chain stitch away from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Continue. Yarn over the hook twice. I skip the next chain stitch, insert the hook into the 2nd chain stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over the hook. I skip the stitch, then chain, insert the hook into the double crochet, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Then I will work with loops that are on the hook. Yarn over the hook, pull through 2 loops. Pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. My complex stitch is ready. Here how it looks. Continue, make a chain. This complex stitch based on the chain. Then I will show you how to crochet the complex stitch based on tall stitch. Yarn over the hook 5 times. I hold all loops with my finger. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the 2nd stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My tall stitch is ready. Then make a chain, yarn over the hook twice. I skip the first pair. I will count from the top. Insert the hook into the 2nd pair. Insert the hook into the both threads. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over the hook twice. I skip the next pair. Insert the hook into the 2nd pair. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. yarn over the hook, I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the double crochet, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. My second complex stitch is ready. Here what I have. It is very simple and quick in the same time. Make a chain, yarn over the hook 5 times. 3, 4, 5. And pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a chain, yarn over the hook twice. I skip the first pair, insert the hook into the second pair, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, yarn over the hook twice. I skip the next pair and work with the next one, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the double crochet, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. I'm done 3 complex stitches. Here how they look like. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Let's complete this row with me. And now I show you how to complete this row. For this, yarn over the hook 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the double crochet, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a chain, yarn over the hook twice and work with the second pair, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the second pair, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over the hook. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the second chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's it, my row and complex stitch is ready. Here how they look like. Next time I will show you how to crochet the second row of this pattern. In general, it is going to be row 3. It is going to be a row of double crochet stitches. Make chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3 and chain more, turn the work. Yarn over the hook, I skip the chain stitch and double crochet into the stitch, chain and double crochet into the stitch, chain and double crochet into the stitch, chain and double crochet. Keep working this way till the end of this row, then I will show you how to complete it. Pattern consists of 4 rows and has 4 stitches. I'm about to complete this round. This is the back side of the pattern. Make a chain and double crochet. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the second chain stitch, make double crochet. My row is ready. Here how it looks. I repeat one more time. My pattern consists of 2 rows. Then I'm going to work with complex stitches in the next row. Then you should repeat as many times as you need for your project. I will start from the chains to bring up the yarn. So make chain of 8 to bring up the yarn, plus 1 chain for the chain space. In total it should be 9 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the 5th chain stitch away from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. I skip the next chain stitch, insert the hook into the second chain stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. yarn over the hook. You should leave 2 chains. I skip the stitch, then chain stitch, then insert the hook into the double crochet and pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first complex stitch in this row is ready. Then make a chain, yarn over the hook 5 times, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a chain, yarn over the hook twice. I skip the first pair, insert the hook into the second pair, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the second pair, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over the hook. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. And as I did before, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's stop and look what I have done. I have done 2 complex stitches, so keep working this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete it. I'm about to complete this row. Yarn over the hook 5 times, 3, 4, 5. To work with the last stitch, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 6 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chain, yarn over the hook twice and insert the hook into the second pair, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over the hook twice, insert the hook into the second pair, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over the hook. I skip the next chain stitch, insert the hook into the second chain stitch. This is the third chain stitch from the bottom. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My row of complex stitches is ready. Next time I'm going to work with a row of double crochet stitches. Let's crochet the next row. In my case I'm using cotton yarn. In your case it could be wool yarn or another kind of yarn. 1, 2, 3 chains, then chain more for the chain space. Turn the work, yarn over the hook. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the double crochet and make double crochet. Make chain and double crochet, chain and double crochet, chain and double crochet. Keep working this way till the end of this row. Here what I have at this point. This is the row 5. My pattern consists of 4 stitches and has 2 rows. And you should repeat pattern as many times as you need for your project. So that's it, my swatch is ready. Here how it looks. It is very nice and unusual in the same way. You don't need special skills, you just need to know how to make tall stitches and chains. This is my own stitch pattern I created recently for you. And I remind you, my pattern consists of 4 stitches and has 2 rows. One row, this is the row of complex stitches, and the second row, this is the row of double crochet. Here what I have. All additional information about the tools and useful links and another information could be found in the description of each video tutorial. You can use this pattern to create any project. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook to create your personal own project. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow my social media such as Facebook page and Pinterest. and find a lot of short videos. You can crochet from the top to the bottom or from the bottom to the top. It depends on your project. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my patterns. Good luck in crocheting and don't be afraid to experiment. See you next time and bye!